it yet. Hold on, let me open my snack crate just came.
I want to eat it.
You don't even know what's in it, and it's mine. I believe I paid for it, didn't I?
What is in it?
Teddy, calm down.
Ooh, shut up, Teddy.
Yeah, shut up, Teddy. Okay, this snack crate is from Sweden.
Ooh, oh, a nice lesson.
Here, you want to hold this? Wait, hold on. No. You want to hold that? I'm going to open this. Thank you. Okay. It's from Sweden. Let's see what we have.
I want the snack.
No, hold on. These are Auntie's. Stop it. Hold on.
Please don't share them.
Some kind of dill chip stuff. Hold on.
Eat some.
What is this? Hockey polar? What is this?
Or?
Some kind of.
Ooh, I like it.
Some kind of.
Ooh, I like.
No, shut up.
Oh, it has some more cheese.
Some kind of candy or something? Or
I like
powder?
it. I like powder.
Yeah, stop it.
I want eat powder.
And some kind of.
I want eat powder.
Some kind of chocolate. Looks like
I want
it.
eat powder.
Some more chocolate.
I want eat powder. I want eat powder.
More chocolate.
I want eat powder.
Okay, Riley, stop.
Ooh. Or
Some kinda
eat cold
Gummy candies.
Ooh, eat cold powder.
Really, I don't know what it is.
Eat orange.
I really like Swiss chocolate, so I already pretty much know I'm gonna like these.
Oh,
No, don't open it.
I want
And that's
eat
from
some.
Sweden.
Oh,